Sison Double Ferrule Fittings grant leak-free performance up to the burst pressure of the tubing, even after multiple makes and remakes. This is how easy it is. There is no need to disassemble nut and body. Just push tubing into the shoulder of the body. Tighten nut finger tight. Mark position of nut to body. To prove the tubing doesn't turn during pull-up, I mark starting position at the tube end. This is important for the functionality and leak-free performance even after several makes and remakes, since this ensures to tension due to twisted tubing between the fittings on both tubing ends. During pull-up, 5/4 turns of the nuts are required for safe and leak-free connection up to burst pressure of tubing. Smaller tubing ODs of 1/16 to 3/16 inches, respectively 2 to 4 millimeters, need just 3/4 turns. This is why I marked starting position. Important, always turn the nut, never the body. Please watch the unchanged position of the mark at tubing end. The tube didn't turn. Later I will show the remake. For that reason I now do mark the end position of nut to body. For this demonstration I used 10 mm OD tube with wall thickness 1 mm. Stainless tubing of that dimensions allow maximal working pressure of 240 bar. Burst pressure, up to which the fitting does perform leak-free, is about 1000 bar. I will now disassemble the connection to demonstrate remake. Here you can see some bulb at tube end. This is intended, correct and important for good vibration resistance of the Sison Double Ferrule fitting. For remake, push tubing with the swaged ferrules into fitting body till it forms. Turn nut finger tight till mark to match. With the wrench turn till end position if first installation. Then add another 1/8 turn. Done. Installation of tubing larger 1 inch, respectively 25 mm hydraulic presetting tool is required. Installation instruction you will find on Sison webpage sison.at. Products, instrumentation, fitting page A12 of datasheet. Maximal allowed working pressures you will find on Sison webpage 2. Online tools, maximal working pressures for seamless stainless steel tubing.